What are you doing? What are you doing, Rocky? You're gonna get your paws stuck under the door. Rocky, are you okay? Rocky, it's just somebody, like, trimming the bushes or something outside. It's just the neighbors trimming the bushes. There's nothing wrong. Rocky, there is nothing wrong. Rocky. It's not even in our house. It's next door. Like, let me show you guys. Yeah, you see them? They're just chopping a bunch of sticks out there, and Rocky's freaking out by the noise. Rocky, I think they're done now. I think they're all done.